In the realm of military helicopters, few names resonate as profoundly as the UH-60 Black Hawk. This formidable, multi-mission utility helicopter has become a symbol of reliability, versatility, and tactical dominance since its introduction in the late 1970s. Designed and manufactured by Sikorsky Aircraft, the Black Hawk was created to meet the U.S. Army's need for a rugged, medium-lift helicopter capable of performing a broad spectrum of missions. From troop transport and medical evacuation to reconnaissance and combat assault. Let's unpack the detailed specifications, history, capabilities, and the enduring significance that makes the UH-60 Black Hawk a favorite across numerous armed forces worldwide. The saga of the Black Hawk began in the early 1970s, when the U.S. Army initiated the Utility Tactical Transport Aircraft System UTAS program to replace aging UH-1 Hueys. The goal was to build a helicopter with improved lift capabilities, survivability, speed, and versatility. Out of multiple contenders, Sikorsky's S-70 design won, leading to the UH-60 entering production in 1979. First fielded in 1980, it quickly became the Army's go-to helicopter for a wide variety of missions. And over the ensuing decades, variants have been widely adopted by the Marine Corps, Air Force, Navy, and many foreign militaries. The UH-60 Black Hawk is a twin-engine, four-bladed main-rotor helicopter optimized for medium-lift tactical transport and multi-purpose roles. Key specifications include dimensions. The Black Hawk measures approximately 64 feet 10 inches, 19.76 meters in length including rotors, and stands 16 feet 10 inches, 5.1 meters in height. Main rotor diameter, 16.36 meters, 53.8 feet. Maximum takeoff weight, approximately 9,979 kilograms, 22,000 pounds. Engines, two General Electric T700GE 701C turboshaft engines, each producing 1,560 shaft horsepower. Maximum speed, approximately 183 miles per hour, 295 kilometers per hour, or 160 knots. Range, around 320 nautical miles, 590 kilometers, without refueling. Extendable with auxiliary tanks. Service ceiling, about 19,000 feet, 5,791 meters. Crew, 2 pilots, plus 2 crew chiefs crossed gunners for some configurations. Passenger capacity, can carry 11 fully equipped troops, or up to 6 stretchers for medical evacuation roles. The Black Hawk incorporates survivability features that enhance crew protection and mission success. Ballistic armor protects critical components and crew compartments from small arms fire and shrapnel. crashworthy seat and energy-absorbing landing gear increase crash survival odds. Redundant systems. Multiple hydraulic and electrical redundancies enable continued operation after damage. Self-sealing fuel tanks reduce fire hazards. Advanced avionics, including weather radar, GPS navigation, and night vision compatibility, enable operation in adverse weather and contested environments. Countermeasures. Integrated defensive systems include infrared suppression, radar warning receivers, and chaff/flare dispensers against missile threats. Armament is modular, with common configurations including two M247.62 mm machine guns mounted on doors or sliding windows, a M134 minigun may be mounted for fire support. Some variants accommodate rocket pods, e.g. Hydra 70, or Hellfire missiles for precise strike capability. More advanced versions like the UH-60 Black Hawk carry sophisticated sensors and specialized kit for roles like electronic warfare and special operations support. One of the Black Hawk's defining features is its incredible versatility. Designed from the outset to fulfill various roles, it performs the following. Troop transport. Efficiently moving infantry squads rapidly into or out of contested zones. Medical evacuation, medevac. Equipped to carry multiple wounded aboard for rapid casualty care. Command and control. Variants equipped with advanced communication systems to coordinate battlefield operations. Search and rescue. Used in both combat SAR and civilian rescue operations due to its speed, versatility, and maneuverability. Logistical support. Hauling cargo internally or slung beneath the aircraft using a powerful hook system. Special operations. Modifications allow covert insertion and extractions for elite units. Close air support. Armed variants provide limited suppressive fire with door-mounted machine guns or rocket pods. The Black Hawk's payload and cabin size, combined with maneuverability, make it adaptable to nearly every tactical aviation requirement. The original UH-60A was followed by improvements in the UH-60L, and most recently, the UH-60M Black Hawk, which includes improved digital avionics and glass cockpit displays for better situational awareness. Enhanced T700GE 701D engines with 1,902 shaft horsepower for better performance. Upgraded transmissions, drivetrain, and vibration control for improved flight smoothness and maintenance. Integrated Vehicle Health Management System, IVHMS, to proactively monitor aircraft systems. These upgrades expand range, payload, and survivability parameters, ensuring the Black Hawk remains a premier utility helicopter well into the 21st century. The UH-60 Black Hawk has seen combat and humanitarian missions in nearly all significant U.S. conflicts since its introduction, including Gulf War, Iraq, and Afghanistan, transporting troops and supplies, medevac, and close support roles. Disaster relief, providing rapid aid delivery and rescue following natural disasters worldwide. Peacetime operations, supporting training, peacekeeping missions, and counter-terrorism exercises. Its proven reliability and logistical support networks have made it the backbone of U.S. Army rotary wing aviation. Why the Black Hawk still matters. Proven versatility, handles a wide range of combat and support roles adapting to mission demands. Survivability, modern armor and countermeasures keep crews protected amid hostile fire. Mobility, the quick reaction times and speed make it well suited for rapid deployments and critical extractions. Crew-friendly design, minimizes pilot workload with modern avionics and controls. Global support, large worldwide operator base with sustained logistical and maintenance infrastructure. Combat tested. Extensive operational experience ensures trust in performance under pressure. The UH-60 Black Hawk is more than just a helicopter. It's a flying symbol of adaptability, strength, and resilience. Its blend of troop transport, medevac, combat, and logistical support roles has kept it indispensable for the U.S. and allies for over 40 years. As conflicts grow more complex and humanitarian crises more frequent, the Black Hawk's ability to deliver speed, protection, and multi-role function wherever needed makes it a helicopter program with a legendary past and a vital future. For anyone fascinated by military aviation and modern warfare technology, the Black Hawk remains a story of enduring innovation and tactical excellence, ready to carry soldiers from the sky safely into battle and home again. For more military technology insights, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, this is Truman, signing off. Stay informed and stay safe.